Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafted Template. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Priscy Designs Portfolio Template, a beautiful, fully responsive React website built for designers, developers, and digital creatives who want to showcase their work professionally. I'll show you what this template includes, how it's structured, and how you can easily modify every section, from the hero area to the blog, portfolio, and even the admin setup. So, whether you're customizing it for your brand or building your own digital portfolio, this walkthrough will give you everything you need to get started. This template is now available for download on craftedtemplate.com. Do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video, as this helps us to continue upload more free templates. Let's start with a quick overview. The home page highlights key sections: your intro, skills, services, testimonials, and a contact CTA at the end. The navigation bar and footer are consistent across all pages. Everything is component-based, reusable, and follows accessibility best practices, so it looks great and performs smoothly on any device. The design is clean, modern, and intentionally minimal to keep the focus on your content. Inside your project folder, you'll see the key directories like the SRC components, reusable UI components like Navbar, footer, buttons, testimonials, etc. The SRC pages, the main pages, home, blog, portfolio, services, and contact. The SRC data, JSON file that store your content like projects, testimonials, FAQs, certifications, and more. The SRC lib, where helper files live, like your SEO head component. This setup makes it super easy to update your content. Most of the time, you won't even need to touch the JSX. The home page is built using smaller components, things like About card, Expert area, Service offer, and Work Together card. For example, if you want to change your name, job title, or photo, open aboutcard.jsx. You'll find your profile image, social links, and intro text right there. You can also edit the JSON data, like the brands you work with, your skill icons, and certifications, all inside SRC data. So instead of editing the UI directly, you just change the data and the component updates automatically. Your portfolio section displays project dynamically using the projects.json file. Each project entry has a title, description, category, images, and a slug for its page. The project card component handles pagination, so users can browse through your work easily. When someone clicks on a project, it opens a project detail page. That page automatically handles SEO tags, related projects, and even previous navigation. To add a new project, just copy an existing JSON entry, change the title and image URLs, and you're done. The blog section works the same way. It pulls posts from blog.json. Each post includes a title, excerpt, slug, date, and optional images. The blog detail component automatically sets up SEO meta tags, displays related posts, and includes next and previous navigation. So if you write your post in Markdown or any editor, just copy the content into your JSON file. It's super simple to maintain. Here's one of my favorite parts, the testimonial slider. It's a fully accessible carousel that auto-advances every few seconds, but pauses on hover or when you're using reduced motion. You can customize the testimonials in testimonials.json, name, role, quote, and avatar image. And because it's responsive, it adapts perfectly between desktop and mobile. The navigation bar is smart and fully accessible. It includes keyboard navigation, ARIA labels, and even a dark light theme toggle. The theme preference is saved in local storage, so it remembers your choice on the next visit. If you want to add or remove menu items, just open menu.json inside the data folder. No need to rewrite code. Every component in this template follows modern accessibility standards, semantic HTML, ARIA roles, focus states, and prefers reduced motion support. It's also optimized for SEO with proper head tags, canonical links, and structured data using JSON LD. This means your portfolio or business website is discoverable, lightweight, and inclusive. And that's it, your full walkthrough of the Priscy Designs React Template. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd like me to make a video on connecting the template to a backend or CMS. Thanks so much for watching, and happy building!